let's talk about fruit.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar bar girl. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and store fruit garnishes. A garnish is a decoration that tops or accompanies a drink. It's usually edible, though not always. And it's designed to add either scent, flavor, and or aesthetic to the overall drink experience. The most common types of garnishes are citrus fruit, particularly lemons, limes, and oranges. Make sure to watch this video through to the end because I give you a little chart to help you remember which fruit garnishes should go on what types of drinks. Lemons, limes, and oranges need to be cut prior to the start of a shift to save time. Cut fruit should be stored in sealed plastic containers, labeled and dated, and stored in a refrigerator. A portion of that fruit should be added to your garnish tray at the start of your shift for easy access. Fruit can be cut in a whole host of ways, but the most common cuts are wedges, slices, wheels, and twists. To cut fruit, you will need gloves, a cutting board, and a sharp knife, all of which you should be able to find behind the bar or in your bar or restaurant's kitchen. Make sure to remove any stickers and wash your fruit thoroughly before cutting. Begin by cutting off the ends of your fruit and cutting the fruit in half, either from end to end for making wedges or right through the middle for making slices and wheels. Once your fruit is cut in half, you must score your fruit. The most important part of cutting fruit for garnishes is the score. Do not skip this step. The score allows you to rest the fruit on the edge of the glass so your guests can decide whether or not to put it into their drink. Wedges are the most useful cut of lime because the wedge shape will easily fit into bottlenecks as well as rest on the side of a glass. To cut a wedge, stand your lime on one of the flat ends and cut the lime in half the long way. Next, score your fruit before cutting your wedges. To score a wedge, you want to cut a slice perpendicular to the pith in the center of your fruit. That penetrates the fruit but does not go through it. Place your fruit on the cutting board with the flesh side down and cut equal size wedges by cutting the lime on an angle from end to end. It is most common to see limes cut into wheels, but any round fruit can be cut this way. To cut a wheel, hold your fruit on its side and cut the fruit in half right across the middle. Hi Rockstars! Sorry to interrupt your video, but I wanted to let you know that I cover this material and so much more in my online course, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know. My course is designed to teach you everything you need to know to get a rockstar bartending job, even if you've never worked in a bar or restaurant before. My course includes 6 lessons, 2 bonus lessons, quizzes, assignments, downloadable PDFs, flashcards, a course completion certificate, and a free Rockstar Bar Kit, my custom 16-piece bar tool set. Everything is available now at therockstarbargirl.com. Okay, back to the video. You can already see the wheel shape. Next, score your fruit before cutting the fruit into segments. To score, make an incision from end to flesh that penetrates the fruit but does not go through it. Then turn your fruit and cut equal parallel segments through the middle of the fruit. Slices are the most common cut of citrus. You'll see lemons, limes, and oranges cut this way. We'll use an orange to practice slices. To begin, stand your fruit on one of the flat ends and cut it in half from end to end. Next, score your fruit before cutting your slices. To score a slice, make an incision directly along the pith that penetrates the fruit but does not go through it. Lay your fruit with the flesh side down and make equal size slices through the middle of the fruit from end to end. Twists are strips of citrus rind used to add scent and a bit of flavor to a cocktail. The rind does not contain any juice of the fruit, but it does contain oils and citrus acid, which sprays out of the skin when squeezed. Twists are popular garnishes for spirit-forward cocktails like the martini, the old-fashioned, and the Negroni. To cut twists, you will need a fruit peeler or a knife to remove the rind from the fruit by penetrating into the pith but not into the flesh of the fruit. Twists should be cut to order. If you try to cut them ahead of time, they are likely to dry out. But if you can't cut them to order, you can cut a few at a time and keep them in your garnish tray in a damp napkin. Take a look at this chart with a breakdown of general garnish rules to help you figure out what garnish to use for what drink. Okay, rock stars, there you have it. All about how to cut and store your fruit garnishes. If you found this video helpful or if you just liked it, make sure to click on the thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them for me down below. And of course, subscribe. Click on the bell button to make sure you're notified every time a new video comes out. Follow me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl, and please check out my website, therockstarbargirl.com. Sign up for my mailing list so you get notified about giveaways, prizes, and discounts. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.